Jeremy from Bullfrog Productions, Video Productions and Services on Johns Lake right now, on the north side of Johns Lake. Just came from the other direction. This is a video too. This is Shore Drive. That was Suburban Trail we were on. Now we're going left on Shore Drive. Let's go look around. So it looks like we all cul-de-sacs over here. But really unique area. It's right off Highway 50. I'm like 5 minutes from Highway 50 right now. Not even close to everything. Turnpike, really close. Like 5 minutes from the turnpike. Yeah, we don't need private drives right now. Here's 13104. Down every street, but give you a general idea of what is out here, what it looks like. Getting the video for you so you can see what we see efficiently. So you can see what we see efficiently. Oh, another great road over here. Sunset Trail, that's where the FedEx truck went. No dead inside here. So this is Suburban Shores. There's Old Man Tom up there again. Alright. Old Man Tom was in video 1. He's a running man. Look at your garage. I don't know, I think I'd want a garage instead of converting it to another room. Oh, did that say dead inside? I don't think so, Tom. I don't think so, Tim. What was that from? Home Improvement. Huh. Maybe it's not really a dead end. Okay. Here we go. Turning around. We'll go about another few minutes. Keep these videos less than 10 minutes for sure. The Suburban Trail, gonna go left the way from video 1 where it came from Lake Boulevard to Washington to First. Satsuma to Circle. Satsuma was a cul-de-sac, and right here, here's your cul-de-sac as well. Here's a Saint Just Relieve Me, our cul-de-sacs. We'll get out of here. Looks like we're missing something. We got Lago Vista, so that's pretty much everything back there. If you turn down Lake Boulevard, Johns Lake will be right in front of us. Get into Deer Island. How to Think Out Loud by Jeremy. Back to, there's Adams Street. Back to Jefferson. That's where the doggies were in video 1. Alright, I'm gonna go left down Jefferson Street. This is going to take us to the next subdivision, hopefully. Very cool. Jefferson Street, go back to Lake Boulevard, and back to Highway 50. It's a pretty good real estate tour. Man, I can pick out for sale signs easily. I didn't see any, but they could still be on the market. Definitely always get a real estate agent. They know it usually as soon as it comes on the market. Very cool. This land was for sale right here, but I think this house to the left, when they purchased, they got the land that was across. So here's back to the Johns Lake boat ramp. Here's a pretty good view of the boat ramp. It works fine. It's great. A lot of fishing goes on right there. Water level seems to be high. So this will be your parking, or across the way over there for your parking. And let's end up right here, a mansion over there. We'll get over here. We'll get over there. So that was video 2, Johns Lake Real Estate Tour, Johns Lake Boat Ramp. This is Bullfrog Video Production and Services. Go to the website bullfrogproductionandservices.com. Alright, email me, call me with any questions or comments. Look for the video streaming, look for the live streaming, and for the app. Alright, soon to come. Take care, guys. Bye.